Children are meant to be enthusiastic, happy, and mischievous. However, the pandemic has severely impacted their lives. They were separated from their school and friends, and needless to say, since then they have dealt with anger, stress, and social awkwardness. To solve this, we present Samatvam, The Balance Within, a workshop series that engages our children in entertaining and educational activities. These activities focus on physical, emotional, and spiritual wellness, as well as the art of expression through role plays, music therapy, art and color therapy, movement and dance therapy, and of course, meditation. To assist us in our journey, we have renowned personalities with us, like Dr. R.K. Suri, an internationally renowned neuropsychologist, theatre expert and Bollywood actor Mr. Avtar Sahani, a member of NCERT Curriculum Committee, and many such people like them. It's time to join hands with Samatvam and embark on a journey of the balance within that will help our children to break their shells and sparkle like diamonds.